Mamaya, malay natin magkaroon ng kakaibang collab mamaya, diba? And guys, we are gonna be so excited for that. Pero syempre, to our Charis, how has the transition been? You know, may mga moments ba na na-shock kayo or you guys are ready to break the limits? Ooh, what an interesting question.
Honestly, we're very ready to break limits right now. Sorry. It's been crazy, honestly. From the BBB house until now, we have broken the limits of our expectations talaga. Like the expectation ng pagmamahal na na-receive namin sa inyo, grabe talaga. You have broken the limits sa mga puso namin at sa lahat-lahat po talaga. Kaya we would like to thank you guys talaga. Maraming salamat. And syempre maraming salamat sa Acer family for really accepting us and loving us. Ikaw, Esnir.
Sobrang ganda ng sinabi ni Charlie. Gusto ko lang sabihin. Esnir, no pressure. Pero napakaganda nung sinabi ni Charlie. Are you guys ready to hear Esnir's answer? Esnir?